In this Adobe Express tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to schedule your social media posts to be automatically posted at your assigned time. So let's get started. Alright, I'm inside Adobe Express. You need to go to Schedular from the left sidebar. It'll show you this calendar. You can change it to weekly or monthly view. You can go to the next month. You can fill this calendar with all your posts that you want to post at a specific date and time, and it'll handle the rest for you. I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process, so make sure to watch till the end. Now to schedule a post, you can click on any date. It'll open this window, but first you need to connect your social media accounts. You can either click this button or come back and click on Manage Connections. You can connect all of these social media accounts, but I'll connect my Facebook account. Click on Continue. It's asking for the access. You can edit access. You'll see all your business pages here. You can select which pages you want to give access to. Click Continue. I've given access to all my pages, so it's asking to which page do I want to assign this post. I'll select 𝗟𝗘𝗧𝗘𝗗. Click Connect, and it's connected successfully. Now I can click on any date, select my connected page. I'll drag and drop my social media post here. You can add more than one files in the post, or you can click on Files and select a project file that you created inside Adobe Express. It makes things really easier if you're a regular Adobe Express user. I'll click on this project and select my social media post. Click on Upload. You can add more files from this plus button. You can add your caption here. Click on Preview to see how it'll look on the actual social media account. You can publish it instantly, but I'm gonna schedule it. You can pick your desired date and time. Once done, click on Schedule. You can see my scheduled post in the calendar. Click on it and you can edit the details if you want. You can also save it as a draft. Click on More Options. You can duplicate this post or delete it if you want. Let me just schedule it to post automatically a few minutes from now. Click on Save. Now if I go to my Facebook account and reload this page, you can see this post was automatically posted 2 minutes ago. It's an amazing feature and can save you a lot of time and effort. Try it yourself and share your experience in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.